Imagine a bustling city street corner where aromas intertwine. Smoky, grilled meats mixed with fresh, zesty lime and sweet caramelized onions. Amid this sensory delight stands a vibrant food truck, a culinary beacon for hungry passers-by. This is not just fast food, it's a revolution on wheels. The world of food trucks melds gastronomy and innovation, providing a unique dining experience that has captivated the hearts of millions worldwide. But how did this movement start, and what makes it thrive? Let's delve into the ultimate guide to food trucks, from their humble beginnings to their current status as pillars of urban food culture. The concept of food trucks is deeply rooted in American culture, tracing back to the chuck wagons of the Wild West. These mobile food carts provided nourishment to cowboys and travelers, evolving over time into the dynamic industry we see today. The journey from chuck wagons to gourmet trucks reflects a rich history of adaptation and culinary innovation. In the early 20th century, food trucks began serving industrial areas, offering quick meals to factory workers. This convenience and efficiency heralded the popularization of food trucks, setting the stage for a nationwide expansion. As society's pace accelerated, the demand for fast, reliable, and delicious food options grew, paving the way for the modern food truck movement. Today, food trucks are a common sight in cities across the U.S., each offering a unique twist on traditional and exotic cuisines. Their ability to move locations is not just a logistical feature, but a strategic one, tapping into different markets and opportunities as they roam the urban landscape. The contemporary food truck scene is a tapestry of flavors and cultures. Unlike their utilitarian predecessors, modern food trucks are often characterized by their niche offerings, from vegan treats and gourmet seafood to fusion dishes that blend multiple culinary traditions. This shift toward specialization has helped food trucks carve out distinct identities in the food service sector. In addition to culinary creativity, today's food trucks are also defined by their use of technology. Many owners leverage social media to build a following, update locations, and engage with customers in real time, transforming how food trucks operate and connect with their audience. Starting a food truck business begins with comprehensive market research. Understanding local tastes, competition, and the specific needs of your target demographic is crucial. This informs everything from menu design to pricing and location strategy. The next step is crafting a detailed business plan. This document should outline your business concept, expected startup and operational costs, marketing strategies, and long-term growth projections. A well-constructed business plan not only guides your business decisions, but is also essential for securing financing from investors or banks. When it comes to acquiring a food truck, entrepreneurs have several options. Buying a new truck ensures a custom-fit solution tailored to your specific needs, but can be costly. Alternatively, purchasing a used truck or leasing are cost-effective ways to enter the market, though they may come with their own set of challenges, such as higher maintenance costs or less customization. Equipping your truck is another critical step. The equipment you choose must align with the type of food you plan to serve. For instance, a pizza truck will require different equipment than a taco truck, such as specialized ovens or grills. Operating a food truck involves navigating a maze of permits and health regulations. Ensuring compliance is crucial for legal operation and public safety. This includes obtaining the right business licenses, as well as health and food handling permits. It's also important to stay informed about local and state regulations, as they can vary significantly and change frequently. Partnering with local health departments and business advisors can help you stay compliant and avoid costly fines or shutdowns. Effective marketing is a cornerstone of any successful food truck. Utilizing social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter allows you to build a community around your truck, share daily locations, and showcase your menu. These platforms provide a direct line to your customers, fostering engagement and loyalty. Additionally, participating in local events, food festivals, and fairs can significantly boost your visibility and attract new customers. These events offer the perfect opportunity to test new dishes, receive direct feedback, and increase brand recognition. Effective operational management is key to a food truck's success. This includes everything from inventory management, ensuring you have enough supplies to meet demand without overstocking, to maintaining high standards of customer service. Happy customers are likely to return and recommend your truck to others, which is, well, invaluable marketing. Daily operations should be streamlined for efficiency, from food preparation to order fulfillment. This not only improves the customer experience but also maximizes your business's profitability by reducing waste and downtime. Understanding and managing the financial aspects of a food truck business are critical. Startup costs can be significant, including the purchase of the truck, equipment, and initial inventory. Ongoing operational costs such as fuel, maintenance, supplies, and employee wages must also be carefully managed to ensure profitability. It's important to keep a detailed record of all expenses and regularly review your financial strategy to adapt to changing circumstances and ensure the financial health of your business. The food truck industry is continually evolving, driven by changes in consumer preferences and technological advancements. Future trends may include an increased focus on sustainability and health-conscious menus, as well as the integration of advanced tech like mobile ordering systems and GPS for real-time location tracking. Innovation in food truck design and operations will likely continue, with trucks becoming more energy efficient and kitchen spaces more ergonomically designed to improve workflow and reduce environmental impact. Food trucks can be highly profitable, with annual revenues ranging from $100,000 to $500,000 and net profit margins between 10% and 20%. These numbers, however, depend heavily on factors such as location, menu appeal, cost management, and marketing effectiveness. Understanding the financial levers of your food truck business and continuously seeking ways to optimize them can significantly enhance profitability and ensure long-term success. Despite the opportunities, running a food truck business comes with its share of challenges. Intense competition in popular areas can make it difficult to stand out, while evolving regulations may impose new constraints on how you operate. Anticipating these challenges and developing strategies to mitigate them, such as diversifying menu options or expanding to less saturated markets, can help secure your business's future. Learning from successful food trucks can provide valuable insights and inspiration. For instance, Kogi BBQ in Los Angeles, known for its Korean-Mexican fusion cuisine, leveraged social media to build a massive following, turning a single truck into a multi-truck operation with a devoted customer base. These case studies highlight the importance of innovation, quality, and customer engagement in building a successful food truck business. The food truck industry continues to thrive, driven by its adaptability and the continuous pursuit of culinary creativity. For aspiring entrepreneurs, the food truck business offers a viable path to enter the food and beverage industry with relatively low initial investment compared to traditional restaurants. With careful planning, passion for food, and a willingness to adapt to market needs, food trucks will continue to be an essential part of the urban dining experience, satisfying the appetites of adventurous eaters everywhere. As we wrap up, remember that the journey of a food truck owner is filled with both challenges and rewards. Whether you're serving up gourmet burgers, sushi, or vegan desserts, The road to success is paved with fresh ingredients, original ideas, and a deep understanding of your clientele. Here's to your success in the bustling world of food trucks.